Hello everyone, my name is Max Martin and I've been teaching at Sacred Heart now for 3 years. This year I'm very fortunate to have Melissa Collins and Lisa List as my Year 5 teaching partners. This year we are using the iMaths program as our main resource for teaching mathematics. iMaths is an engaging, investigation-based program which is aligned to the Australian curriculum. It is a very practical resource with many real-life, hands-on activities teaching number and algebra, measurement and geography, statistics and probability. We are also placing a strong emphasis this year on the learning of number facts. This term we will be focusing particularly on decimals to tenths, multiplication by 2 digits, calculating perimeter, reading maps using north, south, east and west, and constructing meaningful graphs using Excel. Another important part of your child's education is effective communication. We ask if you have any concerns, whether they be about your child's progress or what they are learning in class, to contact their teacher by email or by calling our office. Parent-teacher interviews will be held in term 2 in week 3 and 4, and it will be at this time where we will formally discuss your child's progress. Parents and carers are most welcome to arrange a meeting with either Melissa, Lisa or myself. And I wish you all the best for 2021.
Hello, I'm Melissa Collins and I've been teaching at Sacred Heart for the past 5 years. On behalf of Lisa, Max and myself, I'd like to welcome you to Year 5 this year. At Sacred Heart, being a Catholic school means that religion is the most important lesson of the day. This term, we will focus on the history of our school and the church seasons of Lent and Easter. Meditation occurs every day after second break and is an essential element of what we do at Sacred Heart. If your child is in Year 5 and they wish to receive the sacrament of reconciliation, Eucharist and confirmation, please contact our front office. I will now pass you on to Lisa.
Hello, my name is Lisa List. I've been teaching at Sacred Heart for the past 7 years. I've taught in the year levels 6, 5 and also PE. Word study is an integral part of our English study, where 30 minutes each day is dedicated to student investigation of the classroom spelling focus. We do not give students spelling lists, rather we encourage our learners to explore, find and develop words that align with the strategy being taught in the classroom. This approach means students notice and search for patterns, enabling them to spell words correctly and most importantly transfer that to their writing.
This year we will be using the iMaths program as one of the main resources for the teaching of mathematics. iMaths is an engaging, investigation-based program which is aligned to the Australian curriculum. It is a very practical resource with many real-life hands-on activities teaching number and algebra, measurement and geography, statistics and probability. This year we'll be also placing a strong emphasis on the learning of number facts. In particular, this term we are focusing on decimals to tenths, multiplication by 2 digits, reading maps using north, south, east and west, calculating perimeter and constructing meaningful graphs using an Excel spreadsheet.
In HASS, which includes the study of history and geography, this term will be looking at the settlement of Australia as a penal colony and also the life of a convict. Some of the wonderful learning activities that the students will do include a trip to Mount Hay and also a dress-up day.
During Term 1 in Science, we will be studying how living things have structural features and adaptations that help them survive in their environment. We will be particularly concentrating on ocean creatures from our local ecosystem. The Year 5s will be designing a Google slide presentation on one of these animals. Homework for Year 5, we will use a homework grid. This comprises of compulsory activities based around spelling, reading and mathematics. It also includes optional activities for each child to complete. Homework will be uploaded every Thursday via Google Classroom and is to be submitted by the following Wednesday. Paper copies will also be available for students who need them. The work presented on the grid is a consolidation of what is being taught in class and is a necessary part of learning in Year 5. If you have any concerns with homework at all, please contact Max, Lisa or myself. I'm looking forward to a great year with your child and working with you as well. Thank you.
Finally, everyone, effective communication is an essential part of your child's education. If you have any concerns, whether it be about your child's progress or what they are learning in class, I ask that you contact your classroom teacher via email or by calling the office. Parent-teacher interviews will be held in week 3 and 4 of term 2, and it'll be at this time where we will formally discuss your child's progress. Parents and carers are most welcome also to arrange a meeting time with either Melissa, Lisa, or myself. Thank you once again, everyone, for entrusting us with the education of your child or children this year. We wish you all the best and look forward to the year ahead.